This is rose moss and this is our balcony garden. We have collected and created different types of rose moss. For getting successful, we killed our time, wasted our money and energy.
In our lab, we are trying for 3 years to cross one color with another for a new shade with some tricks and method. As a result, we get more than 30 plus different shades of rose moss in our garden. In this video, we will show you the trick how you can mix one color to another and make your garden with multiple color of rose moss in just 7 days.
Crossing flowers gives us fresh colors. When two colors join, they create something new and beautiful on the same plant. Let's start.
Step 1. Choose parents. Pick 2 healthy rose moss plants with different color. For example, one red and one yellow. This will be the parent plants. Step 2. Pollination. Take pollen from one flower with a small brush or cotton. Then gently put that pollen on the middle part of second flower. This part is called stigma. It is also known as crossing. Mark the flower so you remember. This video has auto dubbing so you can enjoy it in your language: Hindi, French, Korean, Spanish, Portuguese and more. Just tap the setting auto dubbing, choose your language and enjoy. Step 3. Collect seeds. After some days, the flower will dry and make a seed pod. Collect those seeds when the flower is dry. These are the new hybrid seeds, carrying color from both parents. Step 4. Grow and see magic. Now plant the seeds in soil, give water and wait. When they bloom, you may see new colors, maybe orange, peach, stripe or mixed color. Every seed can surprise you. That's the real way to create brand new shades of rose moss using crossing and hybridization. To learn about more interesting color changing facts of rose moss, please check the video. Turn your balcony into a rainbow of flower in just 7 days. Subscribe to see more easy flower experiment. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.